In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy any text to the clipboard using Bubble.io. If you're working on a Bubble application and need users to seamlessly copy content, this step-by-step guide is here to help you achieve just that. Starting with accessing your Bubble account, first navigate to the Bubble.io homepage. Make sure you're logged in, so click on the Login button. If you use Google, you can select Continue with Google for convenience. Once you're logged in, find your project by clicking on your account and then click Continue to proceed. This ensures you're ready to start implementing the Copy to Clipboard feature. Select your project from the list and then click on the Web App option. This will take you to your project's main interface where you can begin making changes. Before we dive into the details, ensure you have the Air Copy to Clipboard plugin installed. This can be found under the Plugin tab, and it's crucial for copying functionality. Now in the Design tab, search for Input in the Assets and place the input box anywhere suitable in your design area. This will be the field users will use to input the text they wish to copy. Following this, you'll need a button that users can click to copy the text. Click on Button in the design interface, then position this button underneath the input box. Once positioned, give the button a clear and familiar label, like Copy to Clipboard, so users know its functionality. An additional input box should now be added. This step is useful for testing the copied text. Label it Paste Here, so it's clear where users need to paste the copied content. The next steps involve refining the button's functionality. Right-click on the Copy to Clipboard button and select Start Edit Workflow. You'll be directed to create a new action for the button. Click the plus sign to add an action, then type in Copy to Clipboard from static text. Select this action to open its configuration. In the Text to Copy section, you'll need to insert dynamic data by selecting the input box. To do this, just click on Insert Dynamic Data and choose Input A's value. This ensures the workflow copies whatever text is inputted into this field. Once the workflow is set up, click the play button to test the functionality. You can now type a sample text into the first input field, click the Copy to Clipboard button, and finally, right-click in the second input box labeled Paste Here to confirm that the text copied correctly. This thorough process enables seamless text copying within your Bubble application, enhancing user interaction and application usability significantly. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope this has made the tech-savvy task of copying text to your clipboard using Bubble.io a simple and straightforward process.